If you want to increase your upper body flexibility, your shoulder flexibility, if you want to reverse the rounding of the shoulders, then this one exercise is a must do for you. It's so simple to do. You can do it every day. It feels good. Let's get into it.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
Thoracic extension on a foam roller is an excellent way to encourage more extension through the thoracic vertebra. This is a really big part of helping to reverse the issues that we experience with posture from sitting at a desk all day long. Now, there's a lot of things that are involved in that. We need to look at releasing the pecs. We need to look at strengthening the scapular stabilizers, strengthening a rowing pattern. But we also need to look at encouraging thoracic extension as well. Now make sure you stick around to the end of this video, because I'm going to teach you the 3 coaching cues that we teach with this exercise for best results. If you like our content and want expert coaching, I'd love to invite you inside our free Facebook coaching community, where the whole Unity team and myself hang out, go live, and drop feedback to keep you progressing. Just search UMS Movement Mastermind in Facey, hit join, and I'll even give you access to my incredible 20-minute flexibility routine as a welcome gift.
Thoracic extension on foam roller. We use this in the UMS to mobilize the thoracic and cervical spine to increase movement, blood circulation, and reduce pain in the upper back and neck. This exercise is effective in reducing forward rounding of the shoulders and increasing shoulder and back mobility. To set up, lay on the foam roller. Ensure the roller is on the thoracic spine, which is the part of the spine where the vertebra and the rib cage attach. You can perform the exercise anywhere on the thoracic spine. However, it is not recommended to do it on the cervical spine, the neck. Once set up, the 3 cues to think of are: work thoracic spine, keep your backside touching the floor, exhale whilst extending, inhale whilst flexing.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If we haven't met, my name is Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the co-founders of Unity Gym and the Unified Movement System, or UMS. Right now, you're here watching our free content on YouTube. And since you've already come this far, I can tell you're serious about getting strong, flexible, and fit. But if you're ready to level up, our free Facebook coaching group is exactly what's going to help you do just that. Not only can you ask questions and post videos for feedback from us, I'll also give you one of my most popular and effective programs, the 20-minute flexibility routine, as a gift for joining our tribe. See, despite our combined 50 years of training at an elite level, despite how much quality content we give away on YouTube, at some point, your progression will come to a grinding halt due to limiting factors that are unique to you alone. Honestly, it's not your fault. You haven't done anything wrong. But our tribe is a testament that having an expert look at what you're doing and help you to break through plateaus is simply game-changing. So whether you want to get more flexible, stronger, fitter, or learn some awesome calisthenics moves, or even just perfect your squat technique, we can help you get there faster and safer. Oh, and before you go, if you haven't already, smash those like buttons and subscribe buttons. It goes a really long way to supporting our channel and helps us keep putting out the content we do. And if you prefer to listen, search any podcast platform for Sound of Movement to listen to our amazing interviews with coaches and experts in their field. Well, that's it. I'm looking forward to meeting you in the UMS Movement Mastermind Facebook group. See you soon.